In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an address in Hostinger. If you need to update your account details for billing, verification, or general account management. Hostinger makes the process fairly simple. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to go and what to enter, so you can add your address correctly and avoid mistakes along the way. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in as you normally would. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account area where your profile and settings are accessible. This is important because the address option is located inside your personal account information, not inside your hosting plan settings. Next, click on your profile. This is usually found in the account area, and opening it will give you access to several personal settings related to your account. After that, look for the section called Account Information under Personal Information and click on it. This is where Hostinger stores the basic details associated with your profile. Once you're in the Account Information section, find the address area and click into it. Here, you'll be able to accurately enter your address details. As you fill this out, make sure the information matches your real and current address. Pay close attention to spelling, abbreviations, postal codes, and any apartment, suite, or unit numbers if they apply to you. Entering everything carefully helps prevent issues later, especially if the address is used for invoices or account verification. After entering your address, click Continue. From there, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. Hostinger may ask you to confirm the details you entered or complete an additional step before saving the update. Just read each prompt carefully and continue until the process is finished. A helpful tip here is to double-check all your information before submitting. Even a small typo in the street name or zip code can cause problems later. If your address format looks slightly different from what you usually write, that's okay as long as the information is accurate and complete. And that's it. Once you follow the on-screen prompts and save your details, your address should be added to your Hostinger account successfully. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete the update quickly and easily.